guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another video. Today we're using the Silhouette Cameo machine to make this absolutely adorable bear box. Isn't that darling? Opens up like that, and you can access the little treats inside. Alright, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, the computer, I'm already inside the Silhouette Studio software. Now to access my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and choose Library. This brings up all of my design files. The left hand side, I created all these folders. I'm going to go to the one I labeled videos to find the project we're making, which is this one right here. I'm going to click on that little square. It brings up a larger preview, and you can see this is called the Brown Bear Hug Treat Box by Jennifer Rush, and the design ID number is 115872. I'm going to close this out and then double click on the image here to bring that into our design area. All right, it does come in all grouped together, so I'm going to right click on it and choose Ungroup to separate the pieces. So the heart is going to be one color, so I can move that out of the way. This piece here is black. So is this piece here. I think I'm going to group those two together just by highlighting both pieces, right-clicking, and choose Group. Now I know all these pieces are a dark brown, or a brown color. So I'm going to bring this one over. Actually, this is a light brown, so I'm going to move that out of my way. All right, so I'm going to bring this one down here. Let me grab that one, bring it down here. Then grab this one and bring it over there. All right, so these are all brown, so I'm going to send all this to my Cameo, come back, and take it off my mat, and move it out of the way. And then this piece here is black. This one is a light brown. And then we have the heart as well. So now I'm able to just put scraps of cardstock in each of these corners. Go to the upper right-hand corner, choose Send, send to the Cameo, cut everything out, go to the table, and put the box together. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. We're first going to score on all the score marks for our little box. Okay, so all that is done. You want to have the front of the box facing this way. We're going to take our pieces. I'm going to assemble that first. Make sure they line up correctly. I'm not sure if there's a right or wrong way and how these go. Okay, just put some glue on the back of this one. I'm using art glitter glue, just a thin layer. Okay, line that on the black. Now if you want to, for the eyes, you could always use, if you want to use black brads or just regular office brads and color them in with a marker, you can do that, or Google eyes. And I'm going to take the mouthpiece and make sure that lines up. The best I can anyway. Alright, now I gotta find his nose, which is right there. This is so cute. Alright, so that's going to get glued to this piece here. It's a really simple box to put together. It has this piece here. I think that might be a tail. I did not add it to the other box. I'm not going to add it to this box either, but you certainly could in the back. You can add it with a foam square if you want to. Alright, now we're going to take these little flaps and put glue on those to assemble the box. Just do one at a time, giving time for the glue to set up for you. And I'm using art glitter glue. It does set up pretty quickly. This is called a Hugs box, I believe. Alright, and then let's do the front flaps. Just going to fold that one down out of my way. Alright, and then bring it up. Again, give that glue a second. And do this side. And just line it up and just pinch it for a few minutes or a few seconds. Just let the glue make contact. Alright, so now we have this piece here, this little tab. I'm going to fold these other tabs out of my way so you can see. We're going to put glue on this one and then just bring it down and attach to the back of the box, just like that. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, just going to put some glue on this piece. Don't need all that glue. I'm going to tap it off my fingers. All right, then bring that in and just line it up right in the back. Nice and straight. You want to see how that went in there? There you go, a little bit maybe. I apologize, I'm using dark cardstock, but you know, bears are brown. Unless you want to, you can do this in white as well, make it be like a polar bear. Alright, so now you will see we have these two slices on this brown piece. That's for these pieces to tuck into. I'm not doing that. I'm just going to kind of gently curve these pieces here and then just tuck them under. Okay, I think it's just as cute that way and it's much easier. And now we're going to take our little heart, and I'm going to use some foam squares on this one, and I'm going to use some tiny ones, and I'm actually going to put them on this piece here. And again, if you want to put them side pieces into that slice, you can. But I just found it, once I have the heart on there, it was hard to see where they went. So it's just much easier to tuck them under. And then put the heart on top. So I took the backings off of those. And put my heart on top of that. And then just give it a squish. And there you have it. Super cute little box. Right? You can't tell if I had them in the slice box or not. Then you just pull them out. Access whatever goodies are on the inside. And then just close it back up by tucking them back under. Alright guys, so there is that little bear, and then there's this one here. But again, you can make them a white and gray, a light brown, all different kinds of fun colors. Any questions, let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.